Hello everyone, if you are interested in cryptocurrency and want to get more information about cryptocurrency project, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So today we bring a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Avocado Vibe. Before waste your time, I am starting the video. Avocado Vibe, you can see the contact address of this project, and next we discuss video guide how to buy a guide made by one of the holders. Guys, you can see this video, you can watch this video about this project Avocado Vibes, how to buy Avocado Vibe. You can click this and watch this video on YouTube. So we click this. So guys, you can check it, video is play, you can see this, you can watch this video completely, it almost 3 minutes 4 seconds. You can see this detail how to buy, you can see this, you can watch video completely, and next we discuss more details. And next guy we discuss how to buy avocado vibes. You can see this all steps. You can see this number one, have or create a phantom wallet. You can click this and you can click this and see this page is loading. Guys, you can check it, page is open. You can see the phantom is crypto NFT wallet. You can see this your trusted NFT campaign. You can see this wallet. You can download this wallet, and next we discuss more detail. Next you can check here number two, buy Solana and send it to your wallet. You can click this how to buy Solana. You can see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this page is open, how to buy Solana. You can see this. So first of all, you can sign up Binance account. You can see this where and how to buy Solana guys. You can see this all detail. You can register now. You can see this all detail. So guys, you can buy Solana through Binance account. If you have Binance account, then you can buy now through Solana. You buy now Solana through Binance. You can see this all detail. You can read it carefully. It's almost 4 steps. You can see this number one step we discuss, create a free account on the Binance website or the app. Number two, choose how you want to buy this Solana asset, and number three, you can see this check the payment details and fees. Number four, store or use your Solana in Binance. You can read carefully all detail guys. You can check it. Solana price 143.39 USD dollar. You see this, you can buy Solana now, and next back to the home page. Next we discuss number three, connect your wallet to Radium or Jupiter. You can see this, you can buy on Radium or buy Jupiter. So we click buy on Radium. You can click this and see this page is loading. Guys, you can check it, Radium page is open. So guys, you can swap now. So first of all, you can connect your wallet, then you can swap now, and next we back to the home page. And next we go to buy on Jupiter. You can click this and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check it, Jupiter page is open. So first of all, you can connect your wallet, then you can swap now, and next we back to the home page. And next you can check also here number four, swap Solana for avocado vibes. It's that simple. You can side back and then you can profit. And next you can check here chart detail of avocado vibes. You can see this detail of chart, and next you can see this more detail about this project. You can see this white paper roadmap of avocado vibes. You can check it, avocado vibes revolutionizing green finance, introducing avocado vibes, pioneering tomorrow's currency, cultivating hope today, mission empowering a greener future through blockchain, the challenge climate change and the avocado industry. The evidence is clear, global warming continues to escalate each year. Global warming, the long-term increase in earth's overall temperature, has accelerated significantly over the past century due to rampant fossil fuel consumption. Why avocados? Wider environmental benefit to mutual avocado trees can sustainability provide oxygen for a family of four. A single avocado tree yields nearly 260 pounds of oxygen annually. You can see this article. Next you can check it, expansion nutritional value. You can read it carefully article. Next to discuss our strategy for change. You can see this our strategy for change. Stage 1, zero market cap foundation, a fair launch. We are initiating our token alongside an extensive social media campaign. Stage 2, marketing, amplifying our message. Starting from launch, we will intensify our marketing effort utilizing both paid and organic channels to disseminate our message as our market cap grows. And next you can see this number stage 3 expansion, listing on additional exchanges. Stage 4 2 million market cap plan, taking action against climate change, forge partnership with orchard owners and growers globally to expand tree cultivation. Stage 5 50 million market cap innovation, pioneering a new generation of avocados, collaborate with scientists to develop avocado varieties resilient to harsh climates, increasing yield and sustainability. Stage 6 and beyond. Our journey does not conclude here. Our commitment to saving the planet remains unwavering. And next, you can see these highlighted key points. Highlighted key points, you can see this avocado vibe embodies our dedication to the planet and resolve to combat climate change. It's our digital assets marrying financial growth with ecological sustainability. Avocado vibe present a dual solution addressing environmental challenges while offering an investment avenue. Climate change poses a significant threat to avocado cultivation, impacting farmers and yield. The equitable launch of avocado vibes ensures universal access and opportunity. Initial marketing investment aim to galvanize global action for ecology and finance. Avocado tree planting signifies a commitment to ecosystem restoration and sustainable farming. The development of our new avocado varieties underscores our dedication to sustainability and security. Next, you can check here, investing in avocado vibes contribute directly to the fight against climate change. Next, you can check here, avocado vibes invites active participation in the shaping the nexus of finance and sustainability. And next, we discuss tokenomics of this project. You can see this me contact address, you can see this equity locked, you can see this address, community donation address, you can see this total supply, you can check here team marketing and real life. Avocado 7%, early marketing 3% will be used for getting more traffic, paying for people for services. Liquidity pool 90%, rest of the avocado vibes token went into the liquidity pool. The liquidity pool is locked and cannot be pulled out, drug proof. Next, you can see this more detail, guys. You can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter, Reddit, Discord. You can see this. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can check it. Avocado Vibes official Twitter page is open. You can follow this and give information about this project. You can see this all important update about this project. You can see these all details. And next we back to the home page. Now guys, you can see this by avocado deck screener. You can see this bird eye, rug pull check, soul scan. You can see this detail. You can see this avocado clicker game, soul sniper, formal spider, dex tools, link tree. Guys, this project listed on coin sniper, coin scope, moon talk, coin hunt, coin mooner, gym finder, fresh coin. Guys, you can read carefully all details. And next we go to this project official Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can check it. Avocado Vibes official Telegram group chat community is open. You can join this chat and give information about this project. You can click here and see these 120 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. You can see the description detail, contact address, links. You can see this. You can see this. Connect with all social media account. Please like, share, follow, and support your back. Please, you can see this all members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. And next we back to the homepage. So guys, this website video is finished. If you all like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.